No, I'm not taking no pictures. You can still do layups.
Get up there and dunk it.
Next area, you take the tax stuff and join
I've wanted to get a job doing that kind of stuff before, but I didn't know where to go. I just got told I was too scrawny.
How old are you?
22.
You're 21 again.
Hey!
Strong, man. You got dudes in there, they're about this tall. They're working.
Yours says shift here.
Oh, I didn't know you made your shot.
Yeah. Are we playing here? Yeah.
Make my shot real quick.
Oh. Well, you are. Oh.
No, 3-pointers.
Are you recording? What are you doing?
I'm recording.
You're a bitch.
Let's see.